I am wearing pajamas. Okay, it's time to start the video off. I didn't really plan anything for this video, so today's video is just going to be a vlog about nothingness, because I'm apparently really good at those. Okay, before I forget this though, does anybody know the app YouNow? Does anyone know it? Anyone? You do? Okay, good. I joined YouNow like 6 days ago, and I'm already obsessed with it. I stay up like last night I didn't go to bed at all because I was on it. If you have a YouNow, you should fan me, because, I mean, I'm Adam Wells, people. If you do not have YouNow, you need to get YouNow so you can fan me, because, I mean, you love me. Like, who wouldn't? I'm Adam Wells, people. If you don't know what YouNow is an app where you can get on it and watch people live. It's broadcasts. You watch them broadcast live. Okay, did you get that? You get in the app, you join the app, and you watch people live right that second. You can comment, they can see the comment, etc., etc. Let's move on. The point of the story, guys, just fan me. I'll fan you back. I will. I will. I will. I will. I will. I thought someone was standing behind me. Does anybody watch that show, Lucifer? It's on like Fox or something like that, Lucifer, yeah. It looks pretty good. I want to start watching it, but I want to know if it's good or not. What am I stepping on? What Funyuns and all that crap. Okay, what do you want to talk about? You can't answer me. This isn't YouNow. This is YouTube. How do you start a conversation? Sup, homie? Let's play some music. I'm good at that. Oh my god, guys, this person is literally hilarious. Do y'all ever follow Superwoman or whatever her name is? Can y'all see that? I love her. Like, just watch this. Hold on.
How do I do that? Straight up, my desktop has so many damn icons on it. Okay, it looks like a freaking best hits CD. And honestly, it takes less than 2 seconds to just save a file in the appropriate folder. But for some reason, I still can't do it. Photo, desktop. Video, desktop. Music, desktop. Virus, desktop. Antivirus, desktop. And not only...
I love her. Today I made coffee this morning because I literally, guys, this app, YouNow, it's literally taken over my life. I've stayed up 2 nights in a row. When I'm not staying up, I go to bed at like 6 o'clock in the morning or 7 o'clock in the morning. Don't get up until like 5 o'clock in the afternoon. Okay? This app is controlling my life. I might need to delete it. Just kidding. I'm not gonna delete it, guys. I'm not gonna delete it because I know how much you guys want to watch me. I know you guys love me. I know you do. Yeah. I really don't know what to make videos about. I really don't, besides vlogs. Just like quick little vlogs like this. People keep telling me to make daily vlogs. And if I do daily vlogs, I won't have anything to vlog, guys. My life is not that interesting. This is how it goes. I wake up around 5 o'clock in the I wake up around 5 o'clock in the afternoon. You know, I'm like, oh wow, it's pretty late. And I can't even talk. Like, I'm just yawning every day. I poured an all-nighter last night, so that is why I'm exhausted. I poured an all-nighter because the freaking app. Hey, if you guys, I'm just gonna finish my story. I'm getting way too off topic. I'm not gonna do that. Finish my story. What was I even talking about? This might be my new videoing spot. I love it. Just the background behind me, and there's a window, so it makes excellent lighting. I need to make some more coffee because I'm already yawning. You know one thing I love? old music, like 2000s, like yes. Okay, I need to make some coffee, dude. Like this. Like I used, ow, there's something in my eyes. This is an ad. Oh my god. This is the longest ad ever. Okay, here it is. I love this song, guys. I love it. Is this the right song? Yeah, it is. Okay. I was like, what is this? Like, I remember that? Remember that song? That was good music. Remember? You know, back in the old days. Bye, bye, bye.
Oh my God.
Hey, if you haven't already done so.
Hold on.
No, if you haven't already done so, you should go follow me on Instagram and Twitter and Snapchat and all that stuff and all those technologies. Is this good lighting? It looks good from back here, but if I put it see? Anyway, once I get off of this, I'm probably gonna YouNow again. But you won't know that because this will be up after that. But anyway. I make my videos on, ooh, it just got dark. I make my videos on Wednesdays. And then edit them in those other couple of days. And then I upload them on Mondays. Well, I've only done 2 videos. But this is gonna be my 3rd video. If it's a good video. If it's not a good video, I'm still gonna post it. I need some freaking coffee. I need like a Red Bull or something. That thing keeps, I keep thinking like a human. Whoa. I'm trying to wake myself up. I need to wake. It's not even 2 o'clock in the afternoon yet. I don't know what I'm saying. I'm like so tired right now, guys. I wasn't this tired earlier, so I don't know what happened. I'm gonna make some coffee, wake myself up. I'm trying to think, should I leave this in color when I edit it, or should I put a filter on it? Because if I put a filter on it, I won't look so bad. Oh god, this video. Jesus, I almost fell. It's good enough. Oh, I can finally take a picture on my tripod and show it to you guys. This is my tripod. Can you see it? Yeah, this is my tripod. See, I've noticed my new camera. I don't know what I'm doing. Oh, yeah. Ow. Okay. Oh, that was loud. Okay. I'm gonna go ahead and end this because this is like 90% of me yawning. Guys, I promise next week's video, it's gonna be a lot more entertaining. Or just add me on YouNow, and we can talk live, and we can guest each other, and message each other, and it'll be really fun. So, you should add me. My username is right here, okay? This thingy. If I get the text perfectly right there. So, okay, bye.